Hey guys, so we have here our robot vacuum, and in this video you want to go through the regular maintenance that we go through with one of these devices. So there's no fixed schedule. I'm just going to go through these steps once in a while whenever I deem it necessary. So whenever those parts wear out. So here are those parts that I'm usually taking care of, and you should be able to get similar parts for your robot vacuum. So they normally the manufacturers sell those as a set. So the first step I'm going to do is here power off the vacuum by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. It should then shut down, and then I'm going to open up the lid here, and I'm taking out the dustbin. And normally right by the exit end of the dustbin we find here these filters, and this is usually like a HEPA filter. I'm going to throw the old one out and just place the new one in. Then I flip the device, the robot vacuum here, upside down. And here we have those brushes. So those are sweeping all the dirt and debris and dust into the vacuum chamber, into the vacuum. So those usually wear out. They get frayed, or mine often also get stuck or tangled in a longer carpet that I have. So we're just going to pop those off, so those are not screwed in or anything. You just pull them right straight up. And then you should have two replacements already at hand, and there's no left and right side, so both are going to be the same. We're just going to put one right back onto those studs here that are sticking up here. Just press firmly, make sure they're tight in there and they don't come loose. So, and then last step here, next step is the roller. So we can take this cover off relatively easy. In this case there's like two little buttons that we push, and then we can simply pull out the old roller, and you see how dirty that one is. There's been a lot of hair stuck in there before. When you insert the new one, make sure you have them in the right direction, right orientation. So make sure you check when you pull out the old roller in which way the new roller has to be inserted. Also make sure that that area here is a little bit clean, so that there's no dirt and debris just stuck in there somewhere. And then we're going to put the cover back on. First the front end here with those two noses, and then we're just going to click the back end right into position. And then when we turn around the robot vacuum again, then we see here in the front there should be a couple of sensors. You may have more than two, or they may be at a different location. Make sure those are clean. In this case the vacuum has like a LiDAR sensor. We also make sure that's clean. And then here on the bottom again, we have here a couple of sensors in the front in this case. So these clear areas, those are sensors. Make sure those are not dirty. Sometimes those sensors are located in a different spot, and they may also not be clear. They may be black or so. So look out for those and make sure those are all nice and clean. And yeah, that was already it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.